Welcome back. Now, if you're anything like me, you love a good car that doesn't break the bank. And let me tell you, this year, the competition in the budget SUV market is fierce. But there's one contender that's got everyone buzzing, and for good reason. It's got style, it's got substance, and it's got a price tag that'll make you do a double take. That's right, folks, we're diving deep into the world of the hottest budget SUV of 2025. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming reviews. Let's get this show on the road. Alright, let's talk design. When it comes to budget SUVs, the first thing that usually comes to mind is a compromise on aesthetics. But not this time. Now I know what you're thinking. Budget SUV probably means a bland, uninspired design, right? Probably looks like a cardboard box on wheels. Something that screams practical but whispers boring. But hold on to your hats, folks, because this thing is a looker. It's got the kind of design that turns heads and makes you do a double take. I mean, just look at it. The attention to detail is impeccable. The lines are sleek, almost sporty, with a bold front grille that screams confidence. It's like the designers took a page out of a luxury SUV playbook. And those LED headlights, forget about it. They not only light up the road but also add a touch of sophistication. They give the SUV a premium look that you just don't expect at this price point. It's like getting a taste of luxury without the hefty price tag. Seriously, this thing could park next to a luxury SUV and you wouldn't bat an eye. It holds its own in terms of style and presence. It's got that wow factor that makes you want to take a second look. You know, the kind of design that makes you proud to own it. And trust me, you'll be seeing a lot of them on the road. It's not just a trend, it's a movement. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. It tells the world that you value both style and substance. It says, I've got style and I didn't have to sell a kidney to get it. It's about making smart choices without compromising on what you love. And that, my friends, is a beautiful thing. It's proof that you can have it all: style, functionality, and affordability, all wrapped up in one sleek package. Okay, so we've established that this SUV is easy on the eyes, but what about the inside? Let's dive deeper into what makes this vehicle a true sanctuary on wheels. Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because you're in for a treat. The interior is designed to make every journey a luxurious experience, no matter how short or long. The moment you open the door, you're greeted with a surprisingly upscale interior. It's like stepping into a high-end lounge where every detail has been meticulously crafted. We're talking soft-touch materials that feel as good as they look, a modern dashboard design that's both sleek and functional, and comfortable seating that wouldn't be out of place in a much pricier vehicle. The seats are not just comfortable. They are designed to support you on long drives, making fatigue a thing of the past. And the best part? It's spacious. You won't feel cramped, no matter where you sit. There's plenty of legroom for both front and rear passengers, even those of us who are vertically gifted. Imagine stretching out and relaxing, even on the longest road trips. And don't even get me started on the cargo space. It's like a TARDIS back there, bigger on the inside. Whether you're hauling groceries, luggage, or enough camping gear for a small army, this SUV can handle it all. The trunk is designed to be versatile, accommodating everything from your weekly shopping to your adventurous weekend getaways. It's like they designed this thing with families and adventurers in mind. Every inch of space is utilized to make your life easier and your trips more enjoyable. Seriously, you could live out of this thing if you wanted to. With all the space and comfort it offers, it's like having a home on wheels. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or just a weekend escape, this SUV is ready to be your trusty companion. Now, let's talk tech, because this is where things get really interesting. In today's world, technology is evolving at a breakneck pace, and this SUV is no exception. It's not just a vehicle, it's a smart companion on wheels. This budget SUV is packed with features that you'd normally only find in high-end models. Imagine getting the luxury and advanced technology of a high-end SUV without breaking the bank. It's a game-changer in the automotive world. First up, we've got a massive 12-inch infotainment screen that's as responsive as it is beautiful. This screen is your command center, offering seamless navigation, entertainment, and connectivity at your fingertips. It's like having a tablet built right into your dashboard. And of course, it comes standard with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, because who wants to deal with cords in this day and age? But wait, there's more. You can connect your smartphone effortlessly and enjoy your favorite apps, music, and more without any hassle. You also get a digital driver display that puts all the essential information right in your line of sight. This display is customizable, allowing you to see everything from speed and navigation to fuel efficiency and safety alerts. And the best part? This SUV is future-ready with over-the-air software updates, so it'll keep getting better over time. No need to visit the dealership for updates, your SUV will stay up to date with the latest features and improvements automatically. It's like having a co-pilot that's always learning and evolving. The more you drive, the smarter it gets, adapting to your preferences and driving habits. It's a personalized driving experience like no other. Who needs a self-driving car when you have this? With all these intelligent features, this SUV offers a driving experience that's both enjoyable and stress-free. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying the journey with a smart, reliable companion by your side. Alright, let's talk safety because that's non-negotiable, right? Well, you'll be happy to know that this SUV doesn't skimp on the safety features. In fact, it's loaded with them. We're talking adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and even a 360-degree camera system. It's like having a guardian angel watching over you on every drive. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising down the highway, this SUV has got your back. And for those of you with precious cargo in the back seat, you can rest assured knowing that this SUV has earned top safety ratings from all the major organizations. So go ahead, breathe easy, and enjoy the ride. This SUV has got this. Okay, let's talk fuel efficiency because nobody wants to be a slave to the gas pump, right? Well, this SUV feels your pain. It comes in both gasoline and hybrid models, and let me tell you, the fuel economy numbers are impressive. We're talking over 40 miles per gallon on some variants. That's right, you heard me correctly. And if you opt for the plug-in hybrid model, you can even enjoy short trips on electric power alone. Talk about saving money and the environment at the same time. This SUV proves that you don't have to sacrifice fuel efficiency for style or performance. It's the best of both worlds. Now let's be real for a second. Buying a car is just the tip of the iceberg. It's the ongoing costs that can really sneak up on you. But here's the good news. This SUV is designed to be easy on your wallet, even after you drive it off the lot. Parts are readily available and surprisingly affordable, and the manufacturer offers an extended warranty that'll give you peace of mind for years to come. So you can say goodbye to those dreaded surprise repair bills. This SUV is built to last, and it's designed to keep your hard-earned money right where it belongs, in your pocket. Now, just because this SUV is easy on the wallet doesn't mean it's afraid of a little adventure. In fact, this thing is surprisingly capable when the pavement ends. With available all-wheel drive, multiple terrain modes, and decent ground clearance, it can handle its own on dirt roads, gravel paths, and even some light off-roading. So whether you're exploring the great outdoors or just navigating a snowy driveway, this SUV has got the chops to get you there and back in one piece. It's the perfect companion for those who like to live life off the beaten path. Let's talk numbers, because that's what you're all here for, right? Well, prepare to be amazed because this SUV starts at under $25,000. That's right, you heard me correctly. For the price of a loaded compact car, you can get behind the wheel of this stylish, spacious, and feature-packed SUV. It's an absolute steal, and the best part? Even the higher trim levels with all the bells and whistles are still incredibly affordable. This SUV is proof that you don't have to break the bank to get a great vehicle. Now, for those of you who are environmentally conscious, this SUV has got you covered too. The hybrid and electric versions offer a greener way to hit the road without sacrificing performance or style. With impressive fuel economy numbers and the ability to drive on electric power alone, this SUV helps you reduce your carbon footprint without compromising on your daily needs. It's the perfect choice for eco-conscious drivers who want to make a difference without sacrificing practicality. Okay, let's talk resale value. Because nobody wants to see their investment depreciate faster than a melting ice cream cone, right? Well, here's the good news. This SUV is known for holding its value exceptionally well. That's right, unlike many budget cars that lose their value as soon as you drive them off the lot, this SUV is built to last and retain its worth over time. So when it comes time to upgrade to a newer model, you can rest assured knowing that you'll get a great return on your investment. It's a smart choice for today and a smart investment for the future. So there you have it, the budget SUV that's taken the world by storm. It's stylish, it's spacious, it's packed with features, and it's incredibly affordable. It's no wonder everyone's clamoring to get their hands on one. But what do you think? What feature impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you're hungry for more automotive insights and reviews, be sure to subscribe to Detroit Motor Marvels and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. From budget-friendly gems to high-performance beasts, we've got you covered. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.